Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can find the password as well as username of Instagram app. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes under this video and write, friends, your comments after watching. So let's get started, and now I'm going to show you everything step by step. And if, let's say, you have a situation where you, let's say, logged out of your Instagram account and you have to enter your password or your username to get back in, but unfortunately you don't remember it. There is one method where you can find that information very easily. First, you will need to open Gmail on your device, whether you have an iPhone or Android. And then on the top right, click on your photo. Then select Manage your Google account. Now, friends, you will need to go to Security at the top. And in Security, scroll down to the bottom. You'll be interested in this section called Manage Passwords. So please click on that. And now, friends, here you will see a list of all the apps that you have saved passwords to in Gmail. You'll need to select Instagram here. And then go through Security. Either go through Face ID or fingerprint, or enter your phone password. Once you've gone through identity verification, you'll be taken to a page like this where you can easily see your passwords, also your username, from your Instagram page. If you have more than one, you'll see all the information from multiple pages at once. And if you need to see, let's say, the full password, because it's hidden, you'd have to click on the I sign. So as you can see, the password appears. If you need to copy any of that information, just click right here. So as you can see, the information will be copied and you can just paste it into the right sections in Instagram to get to your page. That's the quick and easy method, friends. You can easily find passwords as well as username in Instagram apps. I hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes below this video and also write your comments. Goodbye.